Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up as we delve into the world of blue jays and explore their appetites. Get ready to uncover the delicious secrets of what do blue jays eat. So, let's soar into this adventure together. Blue jays are renowned for their striking blue plumage and vibrant personalities. These intelligent and social birds are a delight to watch as they flit around our backyards and parks. But have you ever wondered what fuels their high-energy lifestyles? Let's find out. Blue jays are considered omnivores, which means they have a diverse diet. They have an appetite for both plant-based and animal-based foods, making them quite adaptable to various environments. One of the primary components of a blue jay's diet is seeds and nuts. They are adept at cracking open the tough shells of acorns, beech nuts, and other tree nuts. You might have seen them hiding away these treasures for later consumption. In addition to seeds and nuts, blue jays are avid insectivores. They enjoy hunting insects, caterpillars, and spiders, providing them with essential proteins and nutrients. Blue jays also have a sweet tooth for fruits and berries. When these colorful delights ripen in the trees, blue jays swoop in to feast on them. This dietary habit plays a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the growth and diversity of plants in their ecosystem. While most of their diet is plant-based, blue jays are opportunistic feeders and won't shy away from an easy meal. They are known to raid the nests of other birds, consuming eggs and nestlings when they find the chance. Blue jays are highly adaptable birds, and this has led them to thrive even in urban environments. As a result, they may also scavenge human food, like breadcrumbs or leftovers, if readily available. However, it's essential to remember that providing a natural diet is best for these beautiful birds. And there you have it, folks. Blue jays are omnivorous birds with a varied diet, ranging from seeds and nuts to insects, fruits, and even the occasional egg or nestling. Their dietary habits play a crucial role in shaping their environment and contribute to the overall balance of nature. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of blue jay cuisine. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we continue to explore the wonders of nature. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging wildlife content. Until next time, keep your eyes and ears open for the colorful and melodious blue jays in your neighborhood. Happy bird watching, and see you soon on the next adventure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.